If Discord is giving you an install error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This method works by fully closing Discord, clearing out the leftover files that often cause installation problems, and then reinstalling the app cleanly. So if your Discord setup keeps failing, freezing, or saying there was an error during installation, follow along carefully. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we need to make sure Discord is completely closed. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything related to Discord. If you see Discord running, click it once, then select End Task. This is important because if Discord is still active in the background, the installer may not be able to replace the files it needs. Now that Discord is closed, we're going to remove the temporary files that can block the installation. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %local AppData%, then press Enter. This will open your local AppData folder. Inside here, look for the Discord folder. If you find it, right-click it and delete it. Next, we need to do the same thing in the roaming AppData folder. Open Run again by pressing Windows key and R. This time, type %appdata% and press Enter. When the folder opens, look for the Discord folder again and delete that one too. These folders can store corrupted setup data or old cache files, and removing them often fixes stubborn install errors. After deleting both folders, restart your PC. This step is easy to skip, but it matters because restarting clears out any locked files and makes sure Windows starts fresh before you reinstall Discord. Once your computer boots back up, don't open any old Discord shortcuts yet. Instead, go straight to the official Discord download page and download the latest installer from the source you trust. When the download finishes, find the discord setup.exe file in your downloads folder. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running the installer as administrator gives it the permissions it needs to make changes to your system, which can help if the error was caused by a permissions issue. Now let the installer run and complete the setup. In most cases, this clean reinstall process is enough to fix the Discord install error and get the app working again. If it still doesn't work, double check that Discord is fully closed, that both AppData folders were deleted, and that you downloaded the installer from the official Discord website. And that's it. You've now fixed the Discord install error by clearing the old files, restarting your PC, and reinstalling Discord the right way. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.